for traditional infrastructure, the first key issue which I would like to highlight. So whenever we talk about ENS, net zero, the focus is coming more from global markets. The international investors are focused. There are ESG focused funds who want to invest in such project. There are commercial benefits while doing this while raising funds from international market. But I think though we talk a lot about this, but in domestic market, which is a significant pool of capital, and in fact currently it's generally measured compared to global market, there is no real incentive which has been developed for such sustainable infrastructure investment. So I think that's one thing maybe from regulatory standpoint which maybe government or regulatory bodies should think through. And if there has to be sustainable infrastructure, it has to be incentivized by the government. Otherwise, the financial sponsor or the local sponsor, there is no reason for them to focus on such thing if there is no incentive which is coming along. Second, which I think may be repetition, there is no sustainable or there is no framework which is standard across the various stakeholders. So multilaterals or development bodies are working on one framework. The Indian rating agencies or SEBI is working on different frameworks. And especially for sectors which is non-renewable, non-EV, these are very, very different from developed countries' perspective. So if there is a sustainable or standard framework which can come across from various stakeholders, including multilaterals, DFI, and we can compare this to global standard, those kind of framework obviously will know that how exactly we should approach. Currently, what's happening, many transport infrastructure players are focusing on ad hoc things. One of our peer InvIT has developed a technology where they can develop road through plastics. But now, is that the way, or there's another thing which can be done globally? So if those kind of guidance can come in a structured way, maybe that's another thing which we definitely would look forward to as a representation of transport infrastructure.